Hey students, welcome to our channel. In today's session, we are going to solve this sum. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So let us start with reading this question. Find the equation of locus of a point if the line segment joining 2, 3 and minus 1, 5 subtends right angle triangle at P. Okay, we have to find the equation of a locus of a point. We have to find the equation of a locus of a point. What is the locus of a point? Locus of a point is denoted by capital P, and P is equals to small x by small y. Okay, so here the condition is if the line segment, what is the line segment? Which has two endpoints. A line segment joining 2 comma 3 and 1 minus 1 comma 5 subtends a right angle triangle at P. This will be a right angle triangle, and here we will be having 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. So what is saying subtend right angle triangle? So what is the angle here? It is 90 degrees angle here. It is joining here. So this angle, this point is known as P. Okay, so this point is known as P. So what are the remaining points? We got 2 points he gave, 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5. So this will be denoted as A. First one will be A and second one will be B. Okay, so second one will be B. So it has here 1 point and here 1 point. It is somehow it is like a line segment. So he was talking here a line segment joining this both points, this and this point. So that's what this is, a line segment, and here it is a right angle triangle. Angle is 90 degrees, which is denoted by P point. Okay, now it is a right angle triangle. Now it is a right angle triangle, and here it is 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees. It is point P, it is point A, and it is point B. Now here ABP. ABP is a right angle triangle. ABP is Angle ABP is a right angle triangle, and angle APB. Here we said that ABP is a right angle triangle, but here angle APB, angle APB is equals to 90 degrees. Angle APB is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, angle APB is equals to 90 degrees. As it is said in the question, it is a line segment here. This line segment, that is AB line segment, we have to find the value of AB. Okay, now as I said, it is equals to APB is equals to 90 degrees. Then AP and BP. AP plus BP is equals to AB, right? AP plus BP is equals to AB. Okay, so if we add this both, then only we are going to get this AB value. AP plus BP is equals to AB. So if we will find, if we will add AP and BP, then we will get AB value. So let's move on. Now, as we have said, AP plus BP is equals to AB, right? As I said in my previous videos that after getting a basic equation, we have to do squaring on both sides. It will be like AP square plus BP square is equals to AB square, right? Let us know what are the values of these terms. Here A is equals to 2 comma 3, B is equals to minus 1 comma 5, and P is equals to x comma y, right? So we have to substitute these methods. So here we shall use distance formula, but As I have said you, without using distance formula, if you do, then it will be very easy method and it will be very scoring for you. Sum without using distance formula, then only you may score more marks and it will be a very easy method. So now let us substitute the points. Is AP square, right? AP square. What is A and P? What is A and P? So this is A points and this is P points. So first we have to take first term of A and we have to take first term of P. First term of A is 2 minus first term of P is equals to x whole square plus second term of A and second term of P is 3 minus y whole square. Again plus, now we have to add BP. Now we have to add BP. So first term of B and first term of P is minus 1 minus x whole square plus second term of B and second term of P is 5 minus y whole square. That is equals to, what is AP? AB. What is AB? So it's A values and here are B values. So first term of A and first term of B is 2 minus minus 1 whole square plus, now take second values, that is 3 and 5. So 3 minus 5 whole square. So this what we have substituted all the values. Now let us expand it more. That implies 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus x into square is equals to x square minus, because we have here minus, so we will take minus, and minus 2 2s are 4 into x is 4x. How we have got this? So I have explained it in my previous videos. If you have not watched it yet, you can go and watch it. Next, plus 3 square. 3 square is 9 plus y into square. Y square minus, because we have minus there, minus 3 2s are 6 into y, that is 6y plus minus into minus plus. So let us make this whole bracket into positive first. Positive. Next, plus 5 square. 5 square is 25 plus 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 y into square is equals to y square minus, because we have minus sign here, 5. So here 5 2s are 10 into y, that is 10y is equals to, we have to make this, here also we have negative values, so let us make it into positive. Minus into minus is plus, so 2 plus 1 whole square plus, let us subtract this first, then we'll substitute it. Okay, 3 minus 5 is 2 whole square. We have expanded yet, so let us move to the next page. 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 9 plus y square minus 6y plus 1 square is equals to 1 and x into square is equals to x, and so wait, 1 square is equals to 1 plus x square is equals to x square only. Now here 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 2 into x is equals to 2 into x is equals to 2x. Okay, 2x. Next, 25 plus 25 plus y square minus 10y. Here 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 and 3 square is equals to 9. 9 plus 2 square is equals to 4. 4. That implies x square plus x square is equals to 2x square. 4. What are the constants here? 4, 1, 9, 25 is equals to plus 39 minus 4x and plus 2x is equals to minus 2x. Y square plus y square plus y square is equals to plus 2y square and minus 6y plus minus 10y is equals to, here we have both sides minus, so minus into minus is plus, so let us add it. So minus 16y is equals to 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. That implies sending this 13 to LHS side. That implies 2x square plus 39 minus 2x plus 2y square minus 16y and minus 13 is equals to 0. Minus 13 plus 39 is equals to plus 26. So let us substitute it again. 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 16y plus 26 is equals to 0. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to divide this whole with 2. So because we have 2 common here, so we can divide this all with 2. So that implies 2x square by 2 plus 2y square by 2 minus 2x by 2 minus 16y by 2 plus 26 by 2 is equals to 0. Now 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel. Here 2 ones are 2 8s are. Here 2 ones are 2 13s are. So that implies x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equals to 0. And I say thanks for watching. Thank you.